Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you all know that on Sunday we draw a Sunday market breakdown. So it's an every week thing, this one. So before we start with our Sunday market breakdown, for those people who are new in our channel, please subscribe into our channel so that you won't miss anything we upload. Yeah, so now let's get started. The first pair we're opening here, it's a Euro GBP. So on Euro GBP here, I think we analyzed this one last week. Now, so I just want to show you what we are expecting. So now we can see that, guys, we had a supply then. That supply area that it is accompanied by an imbalance right here. It has a break of structure, and then there's a liquidity built below it. So now what are we waiting for here? We're waiting for the market to come and mitigate this order block when it comes in a corrective manner. Then we're having a pattern here. Let me draw it nicely. So we're expecting the market to come and mitigate the order block in a corrective manner. And then this order block, it would be accompanied by this falcon pattern. So that's when we're gonna enter when the market reaches our order block here. We're targeting this low, guys. Make sure that your stop loss is tight, guys. Yeah. So this is what we're expecting on Euro GBP. For this one, we analyzed this week. So since some of you didn't see the video, uh, last week video, you can go into our last week video and then see how we managed to analyze this one. But now, so this is what we're anticipating in this one. Now I'm opening Gbpcad. On Gbpcad, yeah, not much is expected, yeah. But one thing I realized, let me open 4 hour before. On 4 hour before here, we've been going up in a series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. The market has been in an uptrend. Now, what did we realize? We realized that the market changed character here, meaning it broke the previous low before it went up. So now, what are we anticipating in this one? We're anticipating the market to reach to mitigate our order block here in a corrective manner, and then we're going for those sell positions. So for this one, we're gonna hold. Make sure that your stop loss is tight. But this one, I'm seeing a sell position. Our target, it will be 90% of the structure. Why do we prefer the target there? Because of, like, here we see a fan call pattern. This would be our first touch, second touch. Here is our third touch, meaning the market has high probability of coming into our 90% rule here. But for this type of pair, we're gonna be confirming it on those lower time frames then. You must expect like those reversal patterns here before we can enter this market. Or if we don't get those type of patterns, we're gonna wait for a new order block to be formed there, and then we're entering. So now we're moving to which pair? Now we're on Cadjpy. So on Cadjpy, let me start on 4 hour. This is how I managed to catch this one. So guys, if you can look at 4 hour here, the market, it has been moving with those series of higher highs, higher lows. I think the market now so changed the direction. So what do I mean by the market changed the direction? If you can see here, guys, if I can put a trend line this side, what we normally expect, we expect the market to have those three touches: first touch, second touch, and a third touch. But the market didn't come to make a third touch. What did it do? It formed a double top pattern here. So this double top pattern, we might take it as a we might take this one as a structure, and then we're expecting this double top pattern to come and reach 100% of where it started. So what we're expecting right now, we will take this one as a structure that it must come and reach a 90% rule of the structure, or we might take it that like this one as a double top with there to come and meet. I mean to come and reach a 100% of a double top pattern. So now what are we? What can you wait for? In the meantime, since we're waiting to buy this market in these order blocks here, we can wait for the market to give us a continuation pattern, and then that's when we can enter there for the market to come and approach here. We're going to look for how the market is going to approach this area. But for me, I don't think I would take a buy position when the market reaches here. Why? Because of here on our point of interest, we're having a liquidity resting below this order block here. So I'm not gonna take this. I'm not gonna take a buy position when the market reaches here. I would take this one if the market would come and mitigate this one in a form of a reversal pattern. Then I'm gonna take this buy position here going up. So we're targeting those highs. We must break the those previous high. Might take buy like when the market reaches here, guys. Yeah. So we're done with Cadjpy. But make sure that when you open a position, you protect your capital, guys. Your stop loss should be tight. Now I'm opening AUD CHF. We had this one, I think, from last week. So in this one, the market. Let me show you how we analyze this one. Last week, this is how we analyze this one. We're anticipating the market to come and mitigate that order block this way. But now what did the market do, guys? The market broke this trend line. The market broke this trend line. How did it break it? In a corrective manner. So now we had to evolve with our trend lines, guys, making it like, what do we call, yeah, we're evolving our trend lines there, guys, so that the market here, if we can look at it, it made an impulse. Now we are in the correctional phase. We're expecting the market to come here and mitigate this order block. When it comes to mitigate this order block, we'll confirm it by this 1 2 3 pattern here. That's when we're taking a sell position. But for now, I don't see anything here, guys. Meaning before I can enter this position, the market must break this high, this side, for me to get those small buys before we catch those bigger sells. But for now, I won't take anything here. I'm just waiting. We'll just wait and see what the market tells us to do. And now I'm gonna open is Gbpusd. Gbpusd, I think we had this one last week, but sorry for that. I think we had this one last week. But for now, I managed to do some major changes on it there, guys. If you can see GBPUSD, guys, here, we're having an order block there, which is new, and then we're also having an imbalance. If I can open 1 hour here, I think you can see it better. Yeah, this is what is happening here, guys. We're having an order block there, and then we're having the order block. It is accompanied by an imbalance, a break of structure, and the liquidity was built below that order block here. So now, when we are looking at this position, sorry for that. When we're looking at this position, the market did come to our order block here. The market is currently on our order block there, but I'm not going to open this position yet, even though it meets our criteria for opening a position. We're on a third touch there, but look how the market approached this. Look how the market approached this order block. I can see on 4 hour that the whole of this move, what is it? The whole of this move, guys, the market came on it like impulsively. So I don't prefer to take those type of positions where the market come and approach the order block impulsively. So now, since I saw that the position is right, but I should look at how the market approached our order block, I'm gonna go to my 1 hour. On my 1 hour, I'm having a pattern here. I think you can see this pattern. Hopefully it might be a reversal pattern. So I will only open this position when the market breaks this trend line here. Then we're going down. Wanna wait for the market to break this trend line for a confirmed entry. Right now everything is well, but at least we must, I mean, the market must commit first before we can take this position. Look at the target. The target would be here. Must break this low, guys, and it's also a 90% of this bigger structure. But for now, let's just wait and see what the market tells us to do. Uh, own Chfjpy. What was happening here? Oh, also this one. We had this one for, I think, we're in the third week analyze this one, but it didn't do what we are waiting, what we are expecting it to do. But we just have to wait, guys. In this game, just have to be patient. There, we're having an order block. It left a huge imbalance there. The imbalance, it has not been filled. This trend line liquidity, it has been taken out, but the market didn't mitigate this order block of ours. So we just have to wait here for this one, guys. I don't know what's going to happen here. Then I don't know how long we're going to wait for this one. But we just have to wait for the market to come and mitigate this order block. Yeah. So now we're on Gbpnzd. Gbpnzd, not that nice one. But yeah, we can talk about it. So on this one, guys, I saw what happened. We had a first touch, this second touch, and this was our last touch. It's a falcon pattern, this one. So what are we anticipating here, guys? We're anticipating the market to reach our 90% rule here. And then another thing, if you can open here, the market made like what do you call this pattern? A head and shoulder. The market might draw something like a head and shoulder here. It's another reason why I'm seeing this market coming down here. I think now we're on our neckline. So when we're on our neckline, now we're expecting the market to mitigate. Sorry for that. Let me do it nicely. Let me also cancel this thing. Okay. We're waiting for the market to mitigate this order block here in a corrective manner, making those continuation patterns. Then we're reaching our 90% rule of the structure. Or if the market doesn't come here, we can expect the market to come and mitigate this order block here. We're just gonna evolve this trend line up until that side, and then I think would be also evolving this one. I don't know like where this one gonna be our last low here, and then the market can, and I mean the market continues, sorry for that, I mean the market and then continue going up here, then we will also be evolving that triangle there. But for now, since I see a head and shoulder pattern here, guys, I think we should target this one here and then reach our take profit there. So yeah, I'm moving on this one. Now we're on Euro JPY. I think most of our analysis we see a lot of sell positions. I don't know, but this is how we see those sell positions. Okay, in this one, what do we see here? We're also seeing a falcon pattern there or a falcon structure there, meaning a 90% must be reached here. So now the market didn't commit yet. The market has been consolidating on this side here, but I think the market broke the structure like here. What is happening here in the market? Yeah, but for this one, guys, I don't wanna lie. We just have to wait and see what the market is telling us to do. But if the market would come and break, sorry for that. If the market would come and break this order block impulsively, we're waiting for those continuation patterns here. With those continuation patterns, then we're reaching our 90% rule here. But for now, we just have to wait. I don't see anything happening, especially tomorrow on Monday here. Maybe around Wednesday, there's something might happen in the market here. So now I think I'm gonna open my last pair. This is indices. When we look at Gbpnzd. So on Gbpnzd here, sorry, on Gbpnzd here, what do we have, guys? We're having an order block here, which is not mitigated yet. Uh, we broke the structure here, confirming that order block to be valid. Another thing, we have this expansion pattern here. And then with this expansion pattern here, guys, we are on our third touch here, meaning this one, sorry for that. This one, it was our first touch. This one, second touch. This would be the third touch. But This position is not nice. Why is it not nice? Look at how the market it has been going up with these impulsive moves. So now we just have to wait for the market to approach this order block like in a corrective manner. If it doesn't, guys, we don't open. No confirmation, no entry. We don't have to force positions, guys. If you see that the market it does what I want, but it comes impulsively, avoid those type of pairs. I know that it might also come impulsively and then reverse after, but I'm avoiding those type of pairs because of when I've been back testing them, they've been taking me out, and then I saw that no man, those ones they're not advisable to be taken. Yeah, thank you for watching this Sunday this market breakdown. I hope you will be killing this week, guys. Yeah, I wish you a profitable week, and then I want you guys to comment there if you don't understand. And then another thing, you can also tell us what you want us to include in the next video. And then for those who are new, guys, please don't forget to subscribe.